Today, I'm going to teach you how to add a Lightbox to your Wix website. Lightboxes are fantastic tools for capturing visitor attention with pop-ups for newsletters, promotions, or important announcements. If you want to get started on Wix, you can click on the link in the description down below. Let's dive right in. First, you'll need to go to the Wix website and log into your Wix account. Once you're logged in, you'll land on your Wix dashboard. On the left navigation menu, locate and click on Site and Mobile App. A drop-down selection will appear with several options. From this menu, go ahead and click on Website. This step ensures you're accessing the correct site editor for your web project. After clicking on Website, you'll be taken to a preview page where you can see the current settings and details of your website. Take a moment here to make sure this is indeed the website where you want to add a Lightbox. It's always good to double check, especially if you're managing multiple sites under one account. This preview gives you a quick overview before diving into the editor. From this page, locate the Design Site button on the top part of your screen. It's typically positioned beside a pen icon, making it easy to spot. Click on this button to proceed. This action will take you into the heart of your website's customization tools, where you can make all sorts of design changes. You'll now be directed to the Wix website editor screen. This is where the magic happens. Start by locating the Add Elements button on the left navigation menu and click on it. This button is your gateway to all the building blocks you can use to enhance your website's functionality and appearance. Once you click Add Elements, the menu will expand, and you'll be presented with a comprehensive list of all the elements available for customizing your website. From this extensive list, look for the Interactive option and click on it. The Interactive section contains dynamic features that engage visitors and make your site more lively and responsive. Now, from the interactive elements, you'll see a section labeled Pop-ups. This is exactly where all the Lightboxes are located. Wix offers several types of Lightboxes to suit different purposes. You can choose from welcome, subscribe, promotion, or contact type Lightboxes. Each type serves a specific function, whether it's greeting new visitors, collecting email addresses, promoting special offers, or facilitating communication. Simply click on the type you want and drag the design you wish to use onto your website canvas. Position it wherever you feel it will have the most impact. And there you have it. You've successfully added a Lightbox to your Wix website, giving you a powerful tool to engage with your visitors more effectively. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.